Okay, you have to read this.
Baba.
Baba. Unsa man ang baba?
Mouth.
Mouth. Very good. How about da?
Dahon.
Dalunggan. Unsa man ang dalunggan?
Ears.
Ears.
Mata.
Mata. How about this one?
Ulo.
Ulo.
What's ulo?
What is ulo? Ay, tara. What is
Ulo
What's ulo?
and head.
head? Dili B. D man D.
Dila.
What's dila?
Dila. What's dila, sweetheart?
Tongue.
Tongue.
Okay, don't let me see this. Okay, tuhod.
Tuhod. Tuhod.
Tuhod.
Tuhod. What is tuhod, anak?
Knees.
Very good, sweetheart.
Kamot.
Kamot. What's kamot?
Hands.
Hands. Okay.
Okay. What is the two eyes, Baba?
T.
T.
Tiil.
Tiil.
Tiil. What is tiil, sweetheart?
Feet.
Feet.
Okay. Ilong.
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 What's ilong, sweetheart?
Nose.
Brr.
Braso. Braso.
Braso. What's braso, sweetheart?
I don't know. Arms?
Yeah.
But where is
Alright. Good job.
complete?
Complete na. Okay. You say thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Damay mo vlog eh.